Hello and welcome to episode 2 of the restoration modification project that we are doing on the Thomas 2 locomotive here at the Steam Workshop. In this episode I will be fabricating a coal bunker to go on the back of the tender. Sits on top of the water tank and it houses the coal, stops it going everywhere. Please do enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, so we tested out various different construction methods on this one, starting with laser cutting the plate for the base of it. We were having some running boards cut at the same time, so it seemed to make sense to get a rectangular plate to the dimension we want, with a hole cut in the location we want. The hole cut in it is for the water filler neck for the water tank that's going to live underneath this coal bunker, and I also have a piece of steel cut which I then form to make the shroud, which goes up against the water filler neck to stop water ingress whilst filling the tank. The base perimeter is 20 by 20 angle iron, and all the rails and stiles are all out of 20mm flat bar. All the thicknesses of the material, it's all 3mm thick steel. It's all mild steel. And to start off with, I just tack weld it all together. Once it's in one piece, I then finish weld with a load of about 3/4 inch long stitch welds on every joint. Once it's all cooled down and cleaned up, it's given a nice coat of primer and a liquor 2-pack black paint just to finish it all off, give it a nice hard wearing coat, and hopefully sits lovely on the back of the tender. And here's a couple of still images pulled from the Steam Workshop's website of the finished article. Please check out the website, link in the description. Thank you for getting to the end of this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so, and check out future videos on this same project. Thank you very much for watching.